Hello and welcome to Pictor Network, the powerful GPU platform for 3D rendering and AI workloads. In this video, we will guide you on how to render 3D on Pictor. To get started, head over to pictor.network and click Launch App. Access the Pictor web app and sign in with your Google account or simply connect a crypto wallet like 𝗧𝗲𝗹𝗵𝗺. In this tutorial, we will continue with Google. With this method, an Aptos keyless wallet will be created automatically for you. Note that you'll need credits to start rendering. Go to the payment and billing page and buy credits using USDT or USD. On Pictor, you can render in two ways. Submit your project files and get final results directly. Rent remote workstations and handle the rendering yourself. If you want the simplest workflow, simply submit your files. Submit files. To proceed, navigate to the 3D rendering page. Here you can view all the supported 3D software and renderers. Next, click on New Rendering Job. Then, upload your project files. Please make sure to include all the necessary assets for your scene under one project folder. Select your scene file, in this example, the dot blend. Wait a moment for the analyzer to analyze your scene and extract the render settings. Review the extracted render settings, or you can manually adjust them if needed. Next, select the payment type, and then review all job details on the summary page, ensuring all settings are correct. Here, you can see how Pictor's aggregator splits your job into smaller tasks and distributes them across global render farms, ensuring optimal time and cost efficiency. Finally, click on Submit to send the job to Pictor. Your job is now being processed by multiple render farm workers. During this step, you can track its progress in real time. As a frame is completed, you can view and download it directly to your computer. And that's how you can render by submitting files on Pictor. If you're using a customized pipeline, need real-time rendering, or prefer full control over your rendering process, you can rent our remote Windows machines. Rent remote workstations. To proceed, head over to the GPU renting page and go to the Marketplace tab. Select the Windows OS type here, and you can see all supported GPUs. Next, select the GPU model you want to use to render. Once selected, you can customize your instance, such as the GPU count, storage amount to meet your rendering needs. Then, move on to configure instance details, including instance name, rental duration, and choose whether to enable the auto-renewal option. For the Windows instance on Pictor, you'll connect via remote desktop. Enter your password to access your instance here. Finally, double-check all the details in the summary section. Most importantly, the total cost. When you're ready, click Rent Instance and confirm to create the instance. Your instance will now be created and will appear in the Instance tab for you to manage. Wait a bit for it to start. Once the status shows running, download the RDP file here. Open the file and enter your password to connect to it. You are now on the remote machine. Just use it as your own computer. Set up your software, renderer, plugins, and other tools. Transfer or get your project files directly. In this example, we will download the files that we have uploaded to our Google Drive earlier. Now everything is ready, and you can start rendering right away. Once the rendering is finished, you can get the results back to your personal computer using your preferred tool. Here we'll upload to our Google Drive. From the Instance tab on Pictor app, you also have other options to extend your rental time, stop the instance, delete it, etc. Collaborate with teams. Pictor also offers a team feature to make collaboration simple and efficient. If you're working with multiple users or handling complex workflows, Teams lets you manage rendering jobs, GPU machines, billing, and credit usage all under one centralized account. To get started, go to the Teams page, create your team, and then you can invite members to join your team. You can even set permissions so team members can access and use specific features on Pictor as you want. And that's how you can render 3D efficiently on Pictor. Start bringing your creative idea to life.